this is Mean Dean. And I remember the last of you said, when are you going to post your boyfriend's Hoover? Well, there's something cool that I have to tell you. I didn't just use it in this video. I paid him $20. And guess what he let me do? Keep this. And I bet you guys all wanted to see this, because last time I did a video, you said you all wanted to see it. Here it is. Hoover Wind Tunnel T series. I know you can kind of see it, but it's on the side right here. And the thing that really makes me happy about this thing, it's an elite max capacity. Oh, sorry guys, it's about to rain. Yeah, there's nothing that bad about it. It could maybe use a... The only regret I could give it is that the reason I got this, the reason I kept this thing is because I know you said you all wanted to see the chord rewind, but instead of the chord rewind plus, because he has this one, the chord rewind, and here's the chord X rewind. Y'all want to see that, but I just got the chord 12 rewind. So it could maybe, it's like what? It could possibly be a little bit faster. Oh, wait. It could possibly. So first we're just gonna turn it on, and then I think that's gonna be a good end to end the video. First, and I always turn it like this. And of course, that's still chord. Is that my chord? I can't tell if that's my chord or not. Oh, that is. Alright, so that looks like it's good. Hopefully this doesn't scare me. So it's going to turn on? No? Alright. So not sure this one, we're going to vacuum with it, and then we'll, probably that's going to be a good place to end the video. I'm just going to turn to the back, put it in a clip. It's supposed to be a cord cap, but it's busted. I didn't know that. And I hope this isn't nothing wrong with it, but 3, 2, 1. Oh man! I didn't know I think this is a good price. Probably even more. Think it maybe has suction. Because I saw it a little bit struggling on the belt. What's it? Oh. 3, 2, 1. it sounded like that was the brush plate, or if it was. I say I would give it a maybe it's 10 out of a 20. No wait, I would actually give it 20 out of 20. So that's actually great. And of course, it has a quarter design. So just do that. And of course, we need to stop this thing. Chop off. Alright, so that was the Vacuums Dean channel video of the Hoover you wanted to see. This is Dean's channel checking out. Goodbye. Hopefully you have a good rest of the day.